In this video we're going to look at some practical proportion problems that involve a process of what's called scaling up. And it's a kind of strategy to do with the ratio that you often need when you're out shopping, or sometimes when you're doing some cooking and you need to adapt a recipe. So let's have a look at some practical examples of this scaling up process. In this first example, we're told that 200 daffodil bulbs cost £4.50, and we're asked to work out the cost of 600. Now the first thing that we need to do is to compare these two numbers. So we've got 200 and we know the cost of 200, but actually we want to buy 600. Now when we've got relatively straightforward numbers like this, it's easy to compare them, and in this case we can see that the 600 is 3 times as many as 200. So that to work out the cost, we take the price for the 200 and times that by 3, and the answer is £13.50. In the second example, we're told that to make 8 sausage rolls, you need 400 grams of sausage meat. And we're asked, how much meat do you need to make 32 rolls? So again, the same process is one of comparing those two numbers. So we start with 8, but actually we need to make 32 sausage rolls. 32 is actually 4 times as many. So to work out the amount of sausage meat that we need, we take the 400 and times that by 4, and we end up with 1600 grams. In this last example, we're told that a 1.5 kilogram box of grass seed costs £2.80. How much would you save if you bought a 3 kilogram box for £5? Now this is a slightly more involved problem, but at the heart of it is the scaling up process that we saw on the two other slides. So we take the the 1.5 kilogram box, we compare that to the 3 kilogram box that we want to buy, and we can see that it's twice as much. So we would expect to pay twice as much. So if we multiply the £2.80 by 2, we get £5.60. But actually, the larger box is cheaper. So we take the £5.60, we take away the actual price of £5, and that tells us that the saving is 60 pence.